Hey gang, it's Jurgs. Welcome to another episode of the Doggy Traders. New week. Not a lot of new scores in the prices. We're going to go over that in a second. Let's also remind you to get rid of that. Yeah, if you're going to comment from Facebook, go to StreamYard.com /Facebook and make sure that you are blessed to do so we can see who you are. Speaking of Facebook, there it is. That's where we're coming to you from on Facebook, on YouTube, on LinkedIn down there in the end. Now one there in the middle. We're now also coming to you on Twitter. That's where the four places where you can get the video. We got different channels on each one. We're actually coming to you through 8 different accounts on 3 different platforms. So 4 different platforms. So and then also Instagram and TikTok is where we're also at, on a social media presence and a website, doggytraders.com, coming soon. Till then, take a look at this. All right, so found something earlier over the weekend and also today. There we go. This is what I found through, as you all know, one of the groups I'm on is the Cryptocurrency Trader Network on LinkedIn. Let's try to see if I can stay in the camera shot here. The Cryptocurrency Trader Network on LinkedIn. They did a survey. Now, realize something. The members of this group trade crypto. Maybe they do, maybe they don't trade stocks. But the question was, what are you really putting your money on? And I think it was interesting just in the fact that, if we went to a group for stocks, the stock trader network on LinkedIn, these numbers probably, really close to the opposite. Fact is, I don't think so. Of the members of this group, 62% are, let's see, I want to get this to, there we go. 62% are, that one, there we go. 62% are trading crypto only. I'm one of those 62%. I don't have any stocks anymore. Stuff didn't move fast enough. It just didn't help me. I'm trying to make a living out of this and also develop a long-term level of wealth. What little bit I was getting paid in dividends, if anything, wasn't buying me a cup of coffee. So I got out of stocks, got into crypto, and here I am, putting a third down on the house. 31% earn both. Okay, that's diversifying. You're diversifying the portfolio, get that. But of that total amount of numbers, maybe 7% of everybody is still just doing their homework, because that's the number of people that are in stocks and stocks only. But if you add the crypto and both meaning that they're doing crypto and stocks, 93% of the people in this group are doing cryptocurrency of some sort. Again, not surprising considering the group itself is about cryptos. But what I thought was unique about it is how few are in stocks at all. A total of 38% are playing in both, or at least in stocks, but and 31% playing in both, but only 7% are saying stocks are where it's at. And when we take a look at the scores in a minute, you're going to find that that's not necessarily the case. My experience from now going on 2 years ago is really the consistent, everyday, still going thing. That's the one. Yeah, get me up there. Okay, so, point of that, I get that the group itself is a cryptocurrency group. So you might expect more of the members to be aggressive in cryptocurrencies. I just thought it for the ones that are still doing their homework and still learning the cryptos, and all they have is stocks, or they're still hedging their bet on stocks only, I just thought that number was really small. That I think there's a transition towards cryptos. I just was in another session, a group call earlier today, where I was following Coach Nick Engels. And his shows are at a much more reasonable time for us Americans. So he's 11 a.m. Eastern time across the board. You can get that out now. And we're talking about mindset, talking about the reliability of certain, and he's a Forex guy, but doesn't discount cryptos or indices or any of the other measurements. And they were saying about some of the stigma that goes with day trading. And he said that he was recently told that Forex is a scam. Well, Forex is what you do every time you cross a border. If you're going to go to another country and you change out your currencies for their currency, that's Forex. And you're still, it's a market. And somebody typed into the chat, fiat, F-I-A-T, in all capitals, in other words, government-backed currencies, is a scam. And he wasn't going to say one thing or another, but he kind of got a little bit of a chuckle about that, is because fiat means essentially because I say so. So governments say they have a valuation just based on, that's what they say it is. Where cryptos are proven. And so, just to see that survey really reflect that whole sentiment, I thought was telling and really where I think things are going with wealth development. Let's get into some prices. There we go. Put that up. I think you guys know my name, so we'll get rid of that down there. And here we go. Here are the big ones for crypto. Bitcoin is at 19,223. ETH is at 1,307. Solana is at $30.46. XRP, the only one on this one that's up, 52 cents and change. Doge at 6 cents and change, down from the other change. ADA, 41 cents, down from 42 cents. Again, XRP, the only one that's been up since last Wednesday. Moving into the majors, USD JPY 145.69, Euro USD 97 cents and change, the Pound USD 110.59, Pound JPY 161.14, USD CAD 137.76, and the Aussie dollar 62 cents and change. Little movement in any of those since last week. And there we go. The Nasdaq's at 10,938, S&P 500 at 3615, US 30 29,217, and the Dow Jones 29,2002, all of which are down since Friday. And if you remember, Friday was down since Wednesday. So a little bit of a slide. And that's as of 4:45 today, about 15 minutes before we went on the air. That is everything for today, gang. Thanks for joining us. Remember, we are now Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on all of these. There we go. On Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Once you get there, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn the notifications on. That way you know when we're going on. We're going to be getting some pre-recorded for our educational series, the how-to trade kind of thing, and what are the markets like. And then also the inspirational series. I got to get my fingers up out of the, you can take that down now. And also the inspirational series. That's where we take some of the quotes from business people and other celebrities that I've looked up to, and how those particular quotes from those celebrities have inspired me, my trading career, and overall life, and we share that with you. Those will only be on the YouTube channel. Remember, any citations that are just spoken about are on the YouTube channel Otherwise, we say it here like those prices were from TradingView. That's an app that I use to trade every day. And that was from LinkedIn. I'll try to find that from the actual LinkedIn post and maybe get that to the TradingView. But otherwise, you saw the group that it was in and the person who shared it. That's it, gang. Until Wednesday, trade crazy but trade safe, and we'll.